So we're now coming to a difficult part, which is cutting the holes around the pipe entries. Normally this would be extremely easy because you just buy a drill bit of the correct size, but the one that I bought isn't actually working. So that'll teach me for buying cheap hole saws off eBay. Anyway, we're quite lucky in this respect because we have these covers that go over. So that means that I could actually get away with using this much bigger drill bit, which is going to leave an hole that's quite a lot bigger than what we need, but it'll still be covered by the chrome plate. But for that side, as it's only halfway into the tile, I think I'm going to cut it out using the tile saw. So I've now got the tile just at the side of where the pipe entry is, so I'm now going to mark it. So we need something similar to that cutting out of that tile. You'll notice that it's not perfectly round there. That doesn't matter because the actual chrome cover that we've got will cover a vast area. So once that's on there, you won't see anything anyway, and we'll give it a good seal with silicone. Ideally I would have just got the correct size hole saw and drilled an hole there, but unfortunately this hole saw doesn't work. So I just had a quick go there with the tile saw, and it does actually cut the tile quite easily. So I'm going to cut down to there and then down to there, and then I'll score across there with the tile cutter, and then I'll just break that piece off with a pair of pliers. So now you can see that we've got a cutout that will go around the pipe entry. So I'm actually going to stick that one down now. So we've now got to this point where we're making another hole for this pipe entry, and we also need to take a bit off the tile at that side as well for that pipe. So we're going to get the tile somewhere near. Which is roughly there. So I'm just going to mark that. And then on the back of here I can actually draw around it. Okay. So I've now got a rough mark where the hole needs to be. And I've also got that piece there. So I'm going to cut that out using the hand tile saw. Right, I actually had to use this hole saw to drill through the tile. I didn't have an SDS drill big enough, and the only option I had left was using this diamond hole saw, which does actually work on these tiles. So I could have done a lot neater job. I could have gone out and got the correct size hole saw, but I am running behind with this job. It's been dragging on for a couple of weeks, so I've just used a slightly bigger hole saw. As you can see, there's a massive gap now, but I will fill that with silicone, and once you put the cover on you won't know anyway because that'll hide it all.